Step 1. Formwork setup. Step 2. Placing of bottom reinforcement. Step 3. Fixing of bar chair for post-tension tendon. Step 4. Placing post-tension tendon. Step 5. Fixing anchorage bolstering reinforcement. Step 6. Placing of top reinforcement. Step 7. Placing anchorage pocket former and grout vent. Step 8. Fixing slab edge former with pocket former. Step 9. Concreting of slab. Step 10. Remove slab edge former. Step 11. Remove pocket former. Step 12. Placing anchor head and wedge in position. Step 13. Stressing. Step 14. Cutting end of strand. Step 15. Capping stressing reset with cement mortar. Step 16. Grouting. Step 17. Repeat for next 4 slabs.